What is good, everyone? New vlog here. It's Friday and I'm about to hop on the live call with the students inside the platform Blueprint. But first of all, I want to show you something. So check this out. This is the TradeSyncer dashboard. Now, what is TradeSyncer, you may wonder? It is the best trade copier software for futures. So because I, at the moment, have around 51 accounts with futures platforms, I really needed a trade copier. So I reached out to TradeSyncer to give their software a try, and so far it's been pretty good. So you can see all my accounts here, right? You guys know me, I'm the platform king. So I got Top Step on 50Ks, Apex 10 50K accounts, Funnynex Futures, I got Tradify, I got Tick Trader, I got Alpha Futures, I got Funded Family something, I got Top One, I got Lucid as well. And I also have 4 more accounts with Take Profit Trader that I should get basically on Monday. I did pass them, so I just need to wait for the day to pass, sign the agreement, pay the activation fee, and add those accounts, putting me at a total of 55 accounts, which is pretty insane. I set up every account because I want to trade them all at once. I just want to have one good setup a day if I find it, and I tested it out. As you guys can see, I do have, it does show like day PNL right here. So let me just refresh. So I did take like a 1 micro trade on NQ just to test it out. I didn't actually trade, but you can see it works pretty nice. So it was copied all across the accounts. On Apex, I did take another trade. So that's like quite a little bit more profit. I'm really trying to take those slow and build the buffer, get above the trailing drawdown before I actually push the accounts. But you can see, same as Tick Trader, I did take another trade on those. And yeah, as you can see, trade got copied on all the accounts. I made like $60, but check this out. This is what I like. You can basically download like a certificate. So here it shows like the total accounts, the capital. So it shows the total profit as well and all the accounts. Now I'm showing the account, I'm hiding the account numbers and balances just because I don't want to show them yet. I want to, be focused. So it is not the time for that, but total PNL today, as you guys can see, 8K across those 51 accounts. So that's pretty insane. Now my goal is to make $250 on each account. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Now, if you want to use TradeSyncer, go in the description box. I left a discount code. They were kind enough to make a discount code of 10% for everyone using code NFX or the link in the description box. So if you want to try them out, highly recommend it. Everything is really smooth so far, so you can go ahead and try them out. Now, as I said, I'm about to hop on the live call with the students inside the platform Blueprint. By the way, I just relaunched a few spots if you want to join. Again, link in the description. Also, the free training is there, so check that out. I'm showing you guys exactly my blueprint on how I trade the Forex markets and the futures markets with very simple concepts. Same thing that allowed me to make, reach 6.7 million with CFD platforms. And now you can see I have 51 funded accounts with futures in about 2 weeks just by following a simple bulletproof blueprint. So check the free training out if you want to join the mentorship. Again, first link in the description, apply. I will personally text you on WhatsApp and see if you're a good fit and how I can help. No one from my team will do it. I'm gonna do it for the next few weeks. Now, yesterday we had a pretty good trade. Look at this. We're live on the call with the platform Blueprint students, and I took a buy live on gold. So this was before the chart. We executed the buy right there. And yeah, the trade was pretty smooth. We hit TP1 quite fast, and then we also headed to TP2. Look at this push. And if we look on the chart right now, that TP2 was exactly the point where price literally rejected. As you can see, that was the entry, TP2, and then straight reversal back down. So that exit was on point. Now, market did drop after. It's a complete chaos. What's happening now? Crypto, I really don't want to talk about that. Down a lot of money. Euro, GBP, USD been quite ugly to trade. So I'm not sure we're gonna take any other trade. Probably just gonna jump on, chat with the students, see if they have any questions, but probably not gonna look at taking any setups on Forex markets because it's just been up and down. Even GU, we tapped the 0.7 retracement yesterday, came down. Now we're coming up aggressive. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. NQ, the buys, I literally took that test trade here with 1 micro and I closed like within a few points. Like, look at that move exactly here, and I closed like that. Should have held that and made my target for the day. That was a 300 point move within like what, 20 minutes. Pretty insane, but you never predict those moves. They just happen. They happen way early. I mean, we didn't even get a 4-hour close or New York Open, so couldn't have predicted that big of a move. But today the plan is to keep looking for buys. Now that we clear these lows, we're gonna get a 4-hour bullish close, hopefully. And with the next 15-minute candles, I think we can potentially correct this move from yesterday. So this was a big move down yesterday. That was like a 1,000 point move down. I think we will correct some of that today because this was clearly a liquidity grab. Same as crypto, we see this huge liquidity grab, like literally went down $4,000 in 5 minutes. So a lot of manipulation going on in the markets right now, and that is why I always try to take a step back and not chase price, because yeah, you see all these big moves, you see people making money, people losing a lot of money, but what matters is that these are not optimal trading conditions. So why would I risk my accounts, why would I risk my capital taking trades when I'm not really certain where price is gonna move? So most likely, because again it's Friday, I don't want to go into the weekend upset by taking a loss. I'm most likely gonna call it a week, just watch the charts, do the live call, answer questions, and call it a week. I don't want to take any more trades. Friday is the most important day of the week, because how you finish Friday, how you finish the week is gonna, lead your weekend. So if you finish bad, you take a dumb trade, you lose money, your weekend is gonna be horrible. But if you just sit on your hands, maybe take a small risk trade, maybe you take a small win, I guarantee you're gonna be happy in the weekend, and then next week you'll come back prepared for more. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I'll keep you guys updated after the live call, see if we have anything, and then because it's Friday night, probably gonna go have dinner, still in Dubai, still in a nice apartment. Gonna be here for the next 2 more weeks, close to Christmas, then gonna head back home, and then probably travel for Christmas and New Year's, and then hopefully be back in Dubai in January or February, because I love the weather here and it's very, very nice. But yeah, that's what I wanted to say. So I'm gonna hop on the call and see if we have any trading opportunities today. Gonna take it slow as always. Huge win yesterday on gold, 1 to 2 risk reward, again given to the Prop From Blueprint members. You can apply and get funded within 90 days guaranteed if you follow exactly what I say. The Prop From Blueprint was made after my 5-6 years of trading with prop firms and obtaining amazing results. So check that out, and yeah, see you guys later. Hey guys, I'm back. So finished the live call about 2 hours ago, but then ended up just watching the charts and actually executing a trade. So I didn't want to trade today, but there was an opportunity, a very clean setup. I did post a breakdown already on my channel, but I'm gonna break it down in a minute right now. So this was the exact setup, right? If I go on the 15-minute time frame, hope you guys can see it, right? If I go on the 15-minute time frame, I had this nice move to the upside. We broke structure. I draw the fib from the low towards the high, 0.7, 0.62 area with a fair value gap, perfect area. So I waited for, first of all, liquidity to be taken. We came close here, as you guys can see, we came here, didn't tap the area, but then gave a break of structure to the upside. So that for me was a trap in the market. And what ended up happening was price coming and tapping that 0.62, 0.7 fib and the fair value gap. And look at that entry. My basically entry is a 2-step entry. 1, wait for liquidity to be taken with New York open. Step number 2, wait for 1 minute, 5 minute confirmation. I got a bullish 1 minute close, and on the next 1 minute candle, once it creates the wick down, I execute, cover the low, go for a 1-to-1. That's my go-to setup for New York open. And as you can see, 1-to-1, very quick, 50 points, got in and out and made some profit. Let me show you guys. So this was also posted inside the Discord, the Prop From Blueprint, right? I posted the area, I said price gonna come there, gonna wait for confirmation, gonna execute it, and then we see the reaction. We get the breakdown right here, right? Nice breakdown, and check that out. To go here, look at that. So as I said, I wanted to use TradeSynker, and I actually managed to use it. So look at the dashboard here, very clean. You got dark mode, you got light mode, pretty nice. Let's keep it light mode so you guys can see. All green today. So all the accounts green, and getting closer to the tick payouts. I just need 3 more profitable days with $500, and then I'm eligible for my first payout. The other accounts just slowly building profits, not going for anything big, as I showed you guys. My game plan, that's what I execute, and hopefully next week will be as good as this. This one has been. Hopefully crypto also rebounds, because right now it's dropping again. So that's not good to see. Hopefully we don't break lower on BTC and ETH. Yeah, hopefully we do rebound, because I don't know why this is happening. Always we get a liquidity week, then price actually breaks structure lower, then we rebound aggressive to the upside, and then we just dump again. So I don't know what's going on. My theory is that there's a lot of big institutions, big players that are rotating profits from crypto into the stock market, as the stock market went down yesterday. So perhaps that's what's happening, and hopefully we'll start ranging at these levels, not break lower, and once money comes back in, we're gonna see new highs. So yeah, definitely a very tough spot to be in, but we keep pushing forward. So gonna end the Friday night here. It's 8 p.m. in Dubai. Done with the charts, gonna close everything and probably go out for dinner, have some fun. So take you guys with me. Alright, so it's 11 p.m. and we're at this spot right now on the 51st floor. It's crazy. Look at the views. Kinda insane views, right, guys? Look at these views, man. 51st floor. Dubai is insane. So we're just having a couple of drinks. We ordered food. Let's see how it is, if it's overhyped or not. Super loud in here and so crowded because it's Friday night. But the crazy party is like 11 p.m. and still there's a lot of people going out. People just started partying right now. Check this place out. That's a bar. And this is where we're sitting. So pretty good finish of the week trading, as I showed you guys. And yeah, we gotta chill sometimes. That's why Friday night and the weekend, I was really excited for the weekend. I really need to chill because I've been non-stop on the charts, trading, passing those futures accounts. And yeah, I do need some time off, and I'll get some good sleep tonight, maybe 1, 2, 3 a.m. I don't know. So guys, I'm a 2 meter, 120 kilo guy. And look at the pizza that just came in. Look at this pizza, how small it is. Why the heck is it so small? This is so funny, but hopefully it's good. So yeah, there's more food coming in. Check this view out, guys. We got the Burj right there, 51st floor. What's up, guys? So it's Saturday and we're about to have some sushi and have a chill weekend, relax and recover to start fresh from next week. So we came to this local spot, Japanese restaurant, Kumo, to have some sushi. Haven't eaten sushi in like 2 years, but gonna try it now. Nice little terrace outside and then inside as well. Alright, so let's do a sushi taste test.
It's like so fucking lame. It doesn't have anything special. I expected something wow, like for an authentic restaurant, but honestly, it's super disappointing.
This is what I noticed about Dubai restaurants. Everything looks very nice, but the food is just average. Anything is not like special. With every big restaurant, every popular restaurant, the food looks good, but it's not that tasty. So yeah. What's up, guys? So pro tip when you're in Dubai, never go to the Dubai Mall during the weekends. We barely escaped Dubai Mall. It was pretty intense. It's so crowded, especially end of November, beginning of December. It's crazy. You literally cannot go out of the mall. So it took us like an hour to get out of the mall, and we were just there to pick something up. So nothing crazy, but we got stuck there literally. So came back to the hotel and we're about to have some dinner. Tomorrow, Monday, markets are gonna open up and hopefully we'll see something good. So at least we finally see some rebounds on crypto. BTC is back at 87. Hopefully can push back above 90. By the way structure is looking, I think that's definitely possible. You can see on the month chart price is basically below the 0.7 fib, and that's usually a good sign. Once price tap this demand area, it should go back up. You can see the same thing on Ethereum, where we tapping the 0.7 retracement right into that flip zone, and price is showing some reactions. Hopefully that can continue and we can head back towards the highs with the next few monthly candles. So it's gonna take a while, but yeah, huge movements in the market. I'll most likely do my fresh analysis for the week on the forex pairs, futures, NQ and ES tomorrow morning, and yeah, hopefully we'll see something good for this week in terms of trading. We have Thanksgiving on Thursday, so Thursday and Friday should be low volume, so that means the trading week should be from Monday to Wednesday. So hopefully we do see some opportunities. Now these vlogs are very random because I'm just picking up the camera and speaking and showing you guys what I do. Probably will end this vlog right here, and I'll do another one with this week and see what we have. Gonna vlog the entire week, Monday to Friday, markets, whatever I'm doing. So hopefully that's gonna be fun to watch. Let's see if we can make some money, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.